to today's video. Well guys, we're gonna get straight into the video today because I have my TestTube beauty box. And this is my absolute hands down favorite beauty subscription box that I receive. Now this only comes out every 2 months and it's $29.95 plus $8.95 shipping and handling. So out the door it's $37.97 and you only receive this every 2 months. So if you're interested in trying this box, I would give this 2 thumbs up and I would highly recommend it. There has never been a box that I have not felt like I've got my money's worth in this box. There have been some products that I have not been a fan of, every single product, but overall, I've never been disappointed. So with that said, let's go ahead and see what I got this month. And this is why they call it TestTube, because everything, this is their logo, everything always comes in a tube. But as you can see, there's always stuff that doesn't fit inside the tube, so they just throw it off onto the side. So we are gonna start with the stuff that's on the side, which this big one, we are gonna start with this one. Okay, so here is what it looks like out of the package. And this is a quick drying and smoothing ultra plush microfiber towel that absorbs water without roughing up the hair shaft. Plus it reduces styling and blow dry time by up to 50%. And you just wrap your hair in this and just squeeze the water out. This is the way it looks all the way stretched out. It's more long than it is wide. And it's very soft and it's going to absorb the water. I'm sure many of you guys have tried this. And I love these towels, so I am super happy to get another one. It's not a wow product, but it's a useful product. Okay, and the other item that was in the box is this, and this is Virtue. Oh, and by the way, the towel was $19 value. Now this is called Virtue Restorative Treatment Mask. And what you do with this, it says, if you're struggling with dry breaking hair, you may need this intensive hair mask. It adds luster and bounce to your hair. And it says after you shampoo, remove your excess water from your strands and apply a generous amount of this mask from root to tip. Leave on while you're washing the rest of your body, about 2 or 3 minutes, and then rinse. So there's the lid. I'll take it off. I'll see if it has a scent to it. Oh my goodness, it smells like coconut. I like coconut. That's great for the summer too. That'll give a nice scent to your hair. Ooh, I just love that. Okay, so here is the TestTube box, which I have upside down. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is the way it looks. It's packed full of stuff. So let's just start with the stuff on top. And I have tried this before, but I have not tried ScarAway silicone patches. And what this is, it is ScarAway clear silicone scar sheets. And it says, whether a result of burns, acne, or surgery, scars are a part of life, but you want them to look flatter and softer and less visible. Reach for these sheets. Each one provides treatment for up to 10 days with visible results in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. And it says, wash and dry the scar area, peel off the inner liner for the adhesive side of the sheet, and apply directly to the scar. Even through daily showers or short-term exposure to water, you can rely on these sheets to stay in place. Huh, so I wonder if it will stay in place for 10 whole days, because that's the way it's supposed to work. I will definitely give you an update on this, because I have a scar on my leg that bugs me to no end, and I will definitely try this. But let me see if I can open it and show you how big they are. I will be putting this on my leg today. And I hope, so it just looks like a nice little Band-Aid. Let's see how you open it. Oh, and it looks clear, looks see-through. You can see that. I don't want to open it up all the way because I'm not going to put it on my leg this second. But as soon as I'm done shooting this video, I'm going to put that on my leg. And I will give an update on my next test tube if this actually stayed on my leg through showers for 10 days. Okay, so here's the next item out. And this is Babe Lash. And this is Essential Serum in the mini size. It says, if your lashes are looking a little shorter than you like, apply this serum once daily before bed and watch them gradually appear thicker and fuller. The serum can also be used with extensions or strip lashes. And it says, each night, dip the brush into the serum and close one eye, then swipe directly onto a clean lash line. Switch to the other eye and repeat. Recommended using the serum for 12 weeks before fully assessing results. So that's the way it looks. And it just has a little brush right there. I will definitely give it a try. Can't hurt, right? So it's called Lash Like a Boss. Lash Like a Boss. Okay, now this is called the Herbo Perfume Oil Roll-On, and this is valued at $12. And it says, wave goodbye to harsh chemicals with every swipe of this scented oil, which is sourced with all natural ingredients. And you just apply to the wrist to smell fresh. The key ingredients, rose and lavender. Couldn't smell better if they tried, but when paired with the woodsy note like sandalwood and cypress, our noses drift off to heaven. Plus, each bottle is infused with 50 milligrams of hemp extract to soothe and calm the mind. Oh, this rose and lavender, if you love those scents, you are gonna so love this. Now, if you don't like rose and lavender, you're not gonna like it, but I love this scent. And calming too. See what I'm talking about? And this was priced at $12. And this is Repêchage Hydra Medic Drying Lotion, value $27. And this is for pimples. Dealing with a pesky pimple, reach for this hard-hitting spot treatment which taps sulfur and beta-hydroxy acids for an overnight vanishing act. And it says, shake well and dab onto problem areas, leave on overnight. So it's basically an overnight pimple reducer. This is the way it looks. Let's see what it looks like when I open it. Yeah, you will definitely be leaving this on overnight. It looks white. Yeah, so be prepared that you're gonna have white spot on your face when you go to bed at night. But hey, we all know we will do that if the pimple's bad enough, won't we? Okay, so the next item out is this, and this is called Perfect Shine Oil Mist, Color and Heat Protectant. Yes. When your hair is dry and broken, it cannot get enough shine, and this light reflecting oil turned mist into rich with plant butters and oils is no exception. And you just spray it on your hair right before you're about to put some kind of treatment on. Let me see if I can give you a scent. Just has a nice clean scent, so definitely we'll be getting a lot of use out of this. So it looks like a very hair heavy box this month. Okay, and we have one more item out of the box, guys, and I think this is the most expensive item out of the box, and this is running at $55, and this is Tatcha Kyoto Red Silk Lipstick. And it says, look for a hydrating matte lipstick that doesn't rub off. Yes, thank you very much. Tatcha's iconic formula is the secret, and not only does it boast an amazing texture, it looks gorgeous on any skin tone. So, wow, this does look very, very nice. A nice box on this one. Let me see if I can open this up without destroying the box here. I might end up giving this as a Christmas gift to somebody, or I might have no discipline and use it myself. I don't know. It does look exquisite. It is a beautiful box. And Tatcha, oh yeah. Oh, this is heavy. Let's see, guys. Am I gonna have the discipline? That is the way the lipstick looks. Oh, it's pretty gorgeous. I don't know, guys. I think I gotta try it. Who am I kidding? Okay, I'm wiping off the lipstick I got. I gotta try this. I wish I would have had a mirror. I have a mirror over here, but it's sort of far away. So hold on, I'll be right back and I'm gonna apply this. Okay guys, did I make a mistake in keeping it? I don't know. I think I like it. What do you guys think of this color? It says it's supposed to look good on everybody, so I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Oh well, it's mine now, right? Okay, so I'm gonna hold the box up and we're gonna do a wrap up on everything we got in this box. We got the Tatcha lipstick. We got the ScarAway silicone band-aids that's supposed to help fade scars. We have the hemp-infused perfume, which I really like. Strong rose and lavender scents, if you like those scents. We have the hair treatment mask. We have the pimple reducing overnight medicine. We have the oil mist for dry damaged hair, and it helps protect your hair from heat. And we also have the Lash Serum for nice thicker lashes. And then last but not least, we have the drying towel. So like I said, all this stuff was $37.90. I think it's a great value for the money. Once again, not disappointed in the least with this box. So if you guys get TestTube Beauty, let me know what you guys think of it. I really enjoy everything. And have you tried any of these products? And let me know if you have tried this ScarAway Band-Aid version and if it really does stay on your leg. If I remember, hopefully I will, guys, on my next TestTube Beauty, I'll give you an update about this. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.